front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Security and Privacy after scrolling down. Then scroll down again and tap on Device Unlock. Finally, select Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Select Next. Repeat it to confirm it and hit Confirm. Last but not least, answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!